Hey everybody, we got some great products here from All One Concepts just delivered for our Project JL that we're doing, Project Goliath 2019 Jeep JL. We're doing a big lift on it. We're doing some 42s. Customer can't have big enough tires, so we're going with 42s. And with tires that big, you definitely need big brakes. All One Concepts set us up with that big brake kit, front and rear. Let's open the box. Let's see what we got. First we'll start out, go through the box. We got the custom length brake hoses that they set us up with, the steel brackets to get everything bolted up, nice pieces, all the bolts, hardware, top quality grade, and the best is Loctite. Can't get enough Loctite. Keep it on all the bolts, this way nothing backs out. 6 piston. These are actually for the rears. We needed something big to stop it, so we started out with 6 in the rears. We got them amber anodized per the customer's request. These things look absolutely beautiful. 2-piece design, just a great looking product. We'll go deeper into the box. We'll go for the big guys right now. We got the 15-inch rotors, amber anodized hats as well. The cool thing with these are they're going to work with the factory emergency brake, the inner ring for the e-brakes. This way they work proper. You're going to have that e-brake stopping if you need it for parking on hills. Listen, everybody uses the e-brake sometimes, might as well have it. Again, beautiful piece, drilled and slotted, typical all one, top quality rotors. Get these back in, and we'll go to the other box. You did an awesome job of packing, so everything stays nice. Out this back in. Now, if you've seen on my social media, on the Instagram, we've kind of sneak peeked these a little bit. My guy over at All One Piston hooked us up with some photos straight out of the anodizing. We'll show you the fronts. These could be the biggest brakes I've seen. Nice instructions. Again, we got the hoses, custom length, brackets, Loctite, bolts, good hardware. Pull these out. Packed up really nice. Massive front calipers. 8 piston. These, says All One says stopping the world. These are going to stop 42s with ease. Again, just beautiful design, 2-piece, CNC'd, beautiful anodized finish. We got those. We'll go into the box deeper. Let's pull out the rotors. These are huge. 16-inch drilled, slotted, 2-piece anodized hat. Can't say anything more than these are absolutely beautiful pieces. Absolutely huge. Gonna make stopping those 42s with ease. We can't wait to get these on the Jeep. Get it all set up. And we'll keep you guys in touch. Make sure you tune in on the Instagram page. So you stay with all the updates. We'll post some videos when we can. We'll get these big monsters on there, all dialed in. Thank you guys for tuning in for the unboxing of the huge All One Big brake kit. Big shout out to R1 for the great products. We'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching.